तुलसी।
वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणम् सूत्रभाष्यकृतो वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। नत्वा श्रीभारती तीर्थविद्यारण्यमुनीश्वरौ
नत्वा
श्री
भारती
तीर्थविद्यारण्यमुनीश्वरौ
अधीमहे पञ्चदशीं कैवल्यपदसिद्धये
अधीमहे पञ्चदशीं कैवल्यपदसिद्धये
यथा चित्रपटे दृष्टमवस्थानां चतुष्टयम्
यथा चित्रपटे दृष्टम् अवस्थानां चतुष्टयम्
परमात्मनिविज्ञेयं तथावस्था चतुष्टयम्
परमात्मनि विज्ञेयं तथावस्था चतुष्टयम्
यथा धौतो घट्टितश्च लाञ्छितो रञ्जितः पटः
यथा
धौतो घटितश्च लाञ्छितो रञ्जितः पटः
चिदन्तर्यामी सूत्रात्मा विराट्सात्मा तथैर्यते
चिदन्तर्यामी सूत्रात्मा विराट्सात्मा तथैर्यते
स्वतः शुभ्रोऽत्र धौतः स्याद्घट्टितो न विलेपनात्
स्वतः शुभ्रोऽत्र स्याद्घटितो न विलेपनात्
मत्स्याकारैर्लाञ्छितः स्याद्रञ्जितो वर्णपूरणात्
मष्यारैर्लाञ्छितस्या रञ्जितो वर्णपूर्णात्
स्वतश्चिदन्तर्यामी तु मायावी सूक्ष्मसृष्टितः
स्वतश्चिदन्तर्यामी तु
सूक्ष्मसृष्टितः
मायावी सूक्ष्मसृष्टितः
सूत्रात्मा स्थूलसृष्ट्यैव विराडित्युच्यते परः
सूत्रात्मा स्थूलसृष्ट्यैव विराडित्युच्यते
विराडित्युच्यते
परः
परः
ब्रह्माद्यास्तम्बपर्यन्ताः प्राणिनोऽत्र जडा अपि
ब्रह्माद्यास्तम्बपर्यन्ताः प्राणिनोऽत्र जडा अपि
उत्तमाधमभावेन वर्तन्ते पटचित्रवत्
उत्तमाधमभावेन वर्तन्ते पटचित्रवत्
पटचित्रवत्
अस्मिन् प्रकरणे चित्रदीप प्रकरणे चित्रपट दृष्टांत द्वारा जीव ब्रह्म जगताम् अवस्थानां वर्णनं कृतम् अस्ति। यथा चित्रपटे चित्रस्य पटः चित्रपटः चित्रपटे चतस्रः अवस्थाः अवस्थाचतुष्टयं वर्तन्ते चतस्रः अवस्थाः वर्तन्ते अवस्थाचतुष्टयम् इति। दौतः प्रथमावस्था, घट्टितः द्वितीयावस्था, लाञ्छितः तथा रञ्जितः इति चतस्रः अवस्थाः। दौतः पट यदा पटः दौतं निर्मलं भवति, प्रथमावस्था दौतः। तदेव पटः घट्टितः भवति यदा तस्मिन् लेपनं क्रियते तेन घट्टितः भवति। अनन्तरं लाञ्छितः, तत्र तस्मिन् पटे रेखाः लिख्यन्ते तेन लाञ्छितः। अन्ते रञ्जितः, वर्णैः पूरितं भवति चित्रं, तत्र पूर्णं चित्रं दृश्यते अन्तिम अवस्था। तद्वदेव तद्वदेव परमात्मनि अपि यथा चित्रपटे तद्वत् परमात्मनि अपि चतस्रः अवस्थाः सन्ति इति विज्ञेयम्। दृष्टान्तः चित्रपटः, दार्ष्टान्तः परमात्मा। यथा इति पदेन, यथा इति युक्ते येन प्रकारेण, तेन दृष्टान्तसूचकं भवति। तथा इति उक्त्वा तेन प्रकारेण यथा तथा, येन यथा येन प्रकारेण चित्रपटे अवस्थाचतुष्टयम्, अवस्थानां दर्शनम्, अवस्थानां दशानां चतुष्टयं यथा दृश्यते तद्वदेव तेन प्रकारेण तथा दाष्टान्ते अपि परमात्मनि ब्रह्मणि अपि विज्ञेयं ज्ञातव्यम्। परमात्मनि ताः चतस्रः अवस्थाः काः इति पृच्छेत् तद् उक्तम् अस्ति। स्वतः परमात्मनि स्वतः चित् मायारहितं शुद्धं निर्गुणं ब्रह्म कूटस्थ चैतन्यं प्रथमावस्था। तदेव माया उपगीतं भवति इति ईश्वरः अन्तर्यामी इति नाम्ना ज्ञायते। सा अवस्था तत्र तस्याम् अवस्थायां जगत् बीजरूपेण वर्तते। यद् अन्तर्यामी यदन्तर्यामी चित् स्वतः चित् प्रथमावस्था चित् चैतन्यं ब्रह्म निर्गुणं ब्रह्म एव अस्ति माया रहितं ब्रह्म। द्वितीय अवस्था माया सहितं मायया उपगीतं ब्रह्म ईश्वरः इति अन्तर्यामी। तृतीय अवस्था यथा चित्रपटे लाञ्छितः तद्वत् अत्र सूक्ष्म प्रपंच अभिमानी परमात्मा हिरण्यगर्भः हिरण्यगर्भः इति उच्यते। अंतिम अवस्था यथा चित्रपटे रंजितः अंतिम अवस्था विराट स्थूल प्रपंच अभिमानी परमात्मा विराट। तत्र जगत् इदं जगत् दृश्यते विराट इति उच्यते। ततश्चिदन्तर्यामी तु मायावी ईश्वरः सूक्ष्म सृष्टितः सूत्रात्मा स्थूल सृष्टैव विराट इति उच्यते परः। तदनन्तरं ब्रह्माद्याः यथा स्तंभपर्यन्ताः यथा चित्रपटे चित्रपटे चित्रे चित्रपटे उत्तम अधम भावेन वर्तन्ते। चित्रपटे यथा चित्रपटे कश्चित् मनुष्यः अस्ति तत्र राजा अस्ति मनुष्यः अस्ति अन्यानि मलिनवस्तूनि सन्ति पशुपक्ष्यादयः सन्ति तेषां मध्ये भेदः अस्ति उत्तम अधम भावेन वर्तन्ते। चित्रपटे एकस्मिन् चित्रे एव केचन सन्ति प्राणिनः अथवा अंशाः सन्ति उत्तमाः केचन अधमाः मलिनवस्तूनि इत्युक्ते तत्र भेदः प्रतीयते। राजा अस्ति सः अतिमूल्य रत्नानि आभरणानि वस्त्राणि धृत्वा दृश्यते। केचित् मनुष्याः अपि क्षेत्रे कार्यं कुर्वन्तः सन्ति तेषु वस्त्राणि न सन्ति तद्वत् पशुपक्ष्यादयः तदपि दृश्यन्ते। तद्वत्येव जगति अपि ब्रह्माद्याः स्तम्भपर्यन्ताः प्राणिनः तत्र जडाः प्राणिनः जडाः च दृश्यन्ते। परमात्मा अथवा कूटस्थः सः आधारभूतः सः एव पटः। पटे तत्र पटे मनुष्याः दृश्यन्ते किन्तु यथा ते वास्तविकेन तत्र न सन्ति। तद्वत् जडाः पर्वताः नद्याः अपि तत्र सन्ति, किन्तु वास्तविकेन न सन्ति। तत्र एव वर्ण ते वर्णयोगमात्रेण एव तत्र सन्ति। तथा एव जगति अपि उत्तमः अधमः इति, उत्तमः अधमः इति भेदः केवलं नामरूपाभ्यामेव वर्तन्ते। भेदः वर्तते, नामरूपाभ्यामेव भेदः तेषु वर्तते। स्वरूपतः सर्वं तु ब्रह्म एव। यथा दृष्टान्ते पटः एव आधाररूपेण वर्तते, तद्वत् दाष्टान्ते अपि ब्रह्म एव वर्तते। जगति वैचित्र्यं दृश्यते, भेदाः दृश्यन्ते। ब्रह्माद्याः स्तम्भपर्यन्तम् उत्कृष्टः ब्रह्म, जगत् चतुर्मुख ब्रह्म, स्तंभपर्यन्तं स्तंभपर्यन्तं तृणानि एते अधम जडाः जडपदार्थाः सन्ति। अतः प्राणिनः चेतनाः प्राणिनः सन्ति, अचेतनानि जडवस्तूनि अपि सन्ति, जगति दृश्यन्ते। अतः उत्तमाः अधमाः इति भेदाः जगति वर्तन्ते। यथा जगति वर्तन्ते, चित्रपटे यथा वर्तन्ते तद्वत् जगति अपि वर्तन्ते। जगतः वैचित्र्यं, जगति वैचित्र्यं दृश्यते, किन्तु सत्यं वा न। चित्रवत् आभासमात्रम् एव एतत् वैचित्र्यम्। आधारभूतः पटः, तस्मिन् पटे उत्तम अधमभावेन चेतन पुरुषाः अचेतन मलिन वस्तूनि यथा दृश्यन्ते, तद्वत् जगति अपि ब्रह्मणि अपि ब्रह्माद्याः स्तम्भपर्यन्ताः प्राणिनः चेतन पुरुषाः चेतनाः प्राणिनः अचेतन वस्तूनि जडानि अपि दृश्यन्ते इति दृष्टान्तद्वारा दाष्टान्तयोः प्रत्येकं विषयस्य तुल्यत्वं समानत्वम् आचार्यः तत्र प्रदर्शितवान्। पञ्चमश्लोकपर्यन्तम् अस्माभिः दृष्टम्। इदानीं षष्ठतमश्लोकः, 6th श्लोकः, from there we have to see. Let us read shloka number 6. चित्रार्पितमनुष्याणां वस्त्राभासाः पृथक् पृथक्।
चित्रार्पितमनुष्याणां वस्त्राभासा पृथक् पृथक्।
चित्राधारेण वस्त्रेण सदृशा इव कल्पिताः।
चित्राधारेण वस्त्रेण सदृशा इव कल्पिताः।
चित्रपटे वैचित्र्यं दृश्यते। Various pictures, images are seen in the चित्रपट। तथा एव यथा दृश्यन्ते चित्रपटे, तथा एव ब्रह्माद्याः स्तम्भपर्यन्ताः दृश्यन्ते जगति, अस्मिन् प्रपञ्चे। Various forms and figures are seen, वैचित्र्यम् उत्तम अधम भावेन वर्तन्ते। Even though the Jagat is Jada Jagat, but still Veda is there. Really speaking, there is no Veda. Chetana Jada Veda. Paramarthika Drishtya Sarvam Brahma Eva. Chetana Jada Vibhagaha Nasti. Yat Yadyat Drishyam Tatat Jada. Iti logic. This is a Nyaya Yukti. Yat Drishyam Tatat Jadam. Yadyat Drishyam Bhavati Tatat Jadam Bhavati. Drishyamanatvat Gatavat. Eto is Drishyam. Gatavat. Drishyamanatvat Gatavat. Eto Drishyam Tata Jadam. This is a Vyapti. The whole Jagat, including my Sharir Manasangata. Samastam Jagat Jadam Drishyamanatvat Gatavat. Body is Jadam. Mind, of course, Jadam. Sense organs, Jadam, Drishyamanatvat. Because it is Drishyam, therefore Jadam, therefore they cannot be me. This is the logic we apply to start with. But this logic doesn't apply in dream. Dream, Swapna Prapanchaha Drishyaha. Drishyamanatvat Jadam va iti prachet na. Why? Because this Drishyamanatvat Jadam, there is nothing other than the Jagat. In the Swapna, the dream world. In the dream world is seen. You interact with the dream world. And the dream, you are the Ishvara, you are the creator of the dream. There, Drishyamanatva Jadam, what is projected is you. You project your dream. The dream is projected. The whole dream is Jadam, it is you. It is not different from you. So Drishyamanatva Jadam, that logic, it doesn't apply in dream. Jagrat avasthayam yate drishyam tat jadam yuktihi sambhavati. Swapnavasthayam na. Because the Jagat is your dream body. That in the dream body, it is drishyam. And that you are there, the other things are there, all beings are there. It is not Jada. You are there. In you, everything is there. So therefore it is not Jadam. Jagat is Jadam to start with, but it is not the end. It is initial logic. Because in the dream, you alone appears as this Jagat. You is the person, the Chaitanya Purusha, he projects his dream. He alone manifests as a Jagat. But then what happened to this logic? This logic it's no more varied, it is just swallowed. In fact, that same logic, the logic dismissal of a logic happens here also. To start with, we say yati yati drishyam tata jadam. What is perceived, it is jadam. Because drishyamanatvat, it is other than you perceive it, therefore jadam. But when everything is Brahma, that is the teaching of the Shastram. Brahmadhyaha stamba paryantam. उत्तमाधमभावेन चिज्जडविभागाः वर्तन्ते चित्रपटवत्. Everything is Ishvara, everything is Brahma. Therefore, where is the division of Chetana, Achetana? There is no such division possible when everything is Brahma. Everything is Brahma, therefore, this Chetana, Chit, Jara is Veda is to start with that logic, but later that logic also is followed. Therefore, there is no Chitta Jada Veda. In the dream itself, that Yukti doesn't work because you are the Jagat, Sapna Jagat, Sapna Prapancha. Similarly, this Brahma is this Jagrat Jagat. Jagat means this Jagrat Avasthayam Yata Jagat Pratiyate. Sat Jagat Brahmanaha Nabhinnaha. Therefore, Chetanamba, Chetanamba. Everything is Chetanam, everything is Brahma. It is Chaitanyam Eva. Therefore, there is Achetanam. So Atma Anatma iti we start the division. Atma Anatma Vivekaha. But what is there is only Atma. To start with, we say the Vibhagaha because there is intense Sharira Abhimana. Therefore, to withdraw from the Abhimana of the Shariram and to make us see or understand or appreciate that Atma is. Therefore, Vivekaha, Atmanatma Vivekaha, Nitya, Nitya Vastu Vivekaha. There is no Nitya Vastu, there is no Anitya Vastu existing separately. What is there is only Vastu, which is always Nitya. If Anitya Vastu also existing parallelly, then there will be two things, Nitya Vastu, Anitya Vastu. And Anitya Vastu, because it is Anityam, it cannot exist forever. It is impermanent. But it seems to appear Pratiyate, but it cannot be of its own. Therefore, it is independent. It doesn't have independent existence. It has dependent existence. It seems to be appear. It seems to be appear means it must have Radhara is Nitya Vastu. Therefore, what is there is only Nitya Vastu Brahma. That alone manifests as Anitya Vastu, Jada Ityadi. Like as we saw in Vedanta Sara, Sachit Ananda Advayam Nitya Vastu. Ajnanadi Sakala Jada Samugaha Avastu. Then what happened is, in this Vastu, Vastuni Avastu Aropaha Adhyaropaha. Yata Rajau Sarpa Aropaha. Rajau Sarpa Aropaha. Tadvat Vastuni Avastu Aropaha. Tadeva Adhyaropaha. Sarpa Bhutayam Rajau Sarpa Aropavat. Vastuni Avastu Aropaha Adhyaropaha. Therefore, what is there is only Raju. On that Raju, the Sarpa is Yata Adhyaropitaha Tadvateva Brahma Eva Asti Tasmin Brahmani Eva. This Jagat consisting of sentient and insentient, Chetana, Auropitam Bhavati. Therefore, Uttama Adama Bhavena, the Vaichitrium of the Jagat, Mithya Vaichitrium. Jagat is Mithya, therefore it is Mithya Vaichitrium Drishyate. Then the Chitratpita Manushyanam. Tatra Chitra Pate. Manushyanam Chitrani Drishyante. Te Manushyaha Vastrani Dharanti. Manushyanam Sharireshu. Vastrani api Drishyante. Kasyachit Pitavastram Dharati. Kasyachit Raktavastram iti वस्त्राणि दृश्यन्ते चित्रार्पित मनुष्याणाम् चित्रे मनुष्याः दृश्यन्ते तेषां शरीरेषु वस्त्राणि अपि दृश्यन्ते किन्तु वस्त्राणि सन्ति वा वस्तुतः वस्त्राणि न सन्ति किन्तु वस्त्राभासाः वस्त्र आभासाः वस्त्राभासाः सन्ति वस्त्राभासाः इत्युक्ते वर्णविशेषैः एव कल्पिताः सन्ति वस्त्राभासाः चित्रार्पितमनुष्याणां पृथक् पृथक् वस्त्राभासाः चित्राधारेण वस्त्रेण सदृशाः इव कल्पिताः चित्रपटा has got Patachitra has got two things. One is Adhara Vastram, Pataha, the cloth, the canvas cloth, which is behind every form painted over the canvas. So therefore, behind every Chetana or Uttama and Jada Adama, the Adhara is Pataha. Another thing also it is seen in the Chitrapata, the color is seen. That is Adhara Abhasa Vastram. So Adhara Vastram is Pataha. And that there is Abhasa Vastram also. From Manushya onwards, Chitra Arpita Manushyanam, Chitre Arpite Manushyanam, human beings. Manusyaha, Yaha Manusyaha Drishyante, Manusyaha which are seen painted in the cloth, wearing clothes. They are not real clothes. It appears as though they were wearing clothes. But the Manushya, the picture of Manushya as its Adhara in the cloth, and the Vastram and costly jewels, gems, what they were, that is also have the Adhara on the Chitravalu. They are Abhasa, Vastrabhasaha. So, from Manushya onwards, Chitrapita Manushyanam, Chitre Arpite Manushyanam, Vastrabhasaha, Kalpitaha, they are projected, they are visualized. Human beings, in fact, they are not there in the Chitra. It is the cloth alone is there, that alone is visualized as human beings in the canvas. Pratak, it separately variegated. And they also seems to be wearing clothes. Vastrabhasaha Kalpitaha. So Vastrabhasa Chitradharena Vastrena Kalpitaha Tadvati eva, similar to that is Adhara Vastram and Abhasa Vastram, as they are seen for different Manushyanam, human beings in the Chitra, Tadeva, Tadvateva, Atrapi, Dashtante. Ete Vastrabhasaha Tasmin Chitrapate Kalpitaha Santi. यद्यपि एते चित्राधारेण वस्त्रेण सदृशाः भासन्ते तथापि पटात् भिन्नाः इव दृश्यन्ते यथा दृश्यन्ते that is the दृष्टान्त so चित्राधार वस्त्रेण इत्युक्ते that pata the cloth the on which the canvas is painted, that is the Mukhya Pata. On that there is the beings, human beings, different beings, human beings wearing clothes, etc. And they seem to be binnaha iva yata drishyante tadvateva dashtante. Dashtantra, so chitradhara vastram, that is one thing. Chitradhara vastram and vastrabhasaha pratak pratak. Adhara chitram and abhasa vastram. Two things. Adhara pataha chitra. Adhara chitram and abhasa vastram vastrani. Tadvat कूटस्थ चैतन्यम अस्ति यथा दृष्टान्ते सर्वेषां चित्राणाम् आधारः पटः एव भवति तद्वत् दार्ष्टान्ते सर्वप्राणिनां मूलाधारः ब्रह्म एव शुद्ध चैतन्यम् एव ईश्वरः एव चित्रार्पित मनुष्याः जीवाः पृथक् पृथक् अविद्यावशात् अनेके जीवाः कल्पिताः सन्ति. They are different, appears many. तत्र जीवे they are many and यथा चित्रपटे मनुष्येषु वस्त्राभासाः पृथक् पृथक् दृश्यन्ते तथा एव प्रत्येकं जीवेषु चिदाभासः वर्तते. चिदाभासः in the drishtanta there is mukhya vastram, that is pataha, which is nirvikara. In the dashtanta it is kutastha chaitanyam nirvikara. In the drishtanta there is vastrabhasaha. In the dharstanta it is chidabhasaha. As in the picture we see human beings wearing different clothes, dresses, ornaments, etc. So too in the jagat, jivas are the many jivas are the jive chidabhasaha. Because what is there as adhara only is chit. And there are many things seen as in the chitra. Therefore they are chitra, the chidabhasaha. Yata vastrabhasaha pratak pratak tadvateva ekasmin kutastha chaitanye eva kutastmin chaitanyeva जीवाः पृथक् पृथक् दृश्यन्ते ते तेषु चिदाभासः पृथक् पृथक् वर्तन्ते. चिदाभासः आत्मा चिदाभासः वर्तन्ते. चित्रे मनुष्येषु पटात् यथा भिन्नं न भवति तद्वत् दाष्टान्ते अपि this chidabhasa is because of ajnanam is considered to be atma. Atma iti ajnani manushyaha manyate. Kintu this chidabhasa is chit eva, but they don't know. Because of ajnana, they don't know. So this chidabhasa, this bhasamana chaitanyam, as it is nothing but it is kutastha shuddha kutastha chaitanya eva abhasaha. This buddha bhasamanam etat chaitanyam shuddha chaitanyam buddha bhasamana chaitanyam, that is chidabhasaha, but it is kutastha chaitanyam eva. Kintu because of reflection in the antakaranam, in the buddhi, it seems to be real, reflected chaitanyam, reflected consciousness. That by mistake considered to be atma. Chidabhasa, when we say there is chit, abhasa. Abhasa is a chit, the chaitanyam which is reflected in the antakaranam. Antakaranam is jadam. In the jada antakarana buddhi, there is Basamanam Chaitanyam. When we say Basamanam Chaitanyam, it is not Kutasa Chaitanyam. It is reflected consciousness, reflected Chaitanyam. Reflected Chaitanyam is taken to be Atma, like as in the Chitrapata, it is taken that it is considered human beings are wearing these ornaments or these dresses, these clothes, as a person sees, but they are not different from this Adharapata. So too here also, so many beings are there, jivas, beings, and there is Chaitanyam, which is Buddha Vasamanam Chaitanya Vedavasaha, which is there, seems to be many. The Chidabasaha is many, but the Adhara of that is Brahma Chaitanyam, Kutasa Chaitanyam Eva. Yatha in the Drishtanta, human beings are seen wearing different dresses, but the Adhara is Yatha Pata. They do not exist different from Patas. So to here also, that Ekam Kotasa Chaitanyam Eva, Binna Rupena Drishyante Abhasa, Binna Abhasa, Chaitanya Rupena, Pratyekam Buddhau, Manushyanam Buddhau, Buddhau, Ekam Eva Chaitanyam, Drishyante, Kintu Binnaha Iva Drishyante. Avidyaya Atma iti Manyate. A beautiful way of comparing these two things. So, therefore, Chitrarpita Manushyanam, Chitrapita Manushyanam Vastrabhasaha Pratak Prataketa, Chitradharena, Vastrena, Drishyante, Kalpitaha Santi, Tadvat Api, Dashtante, Paramatmani Api. What is there is only Kutasa Chaitanyam, Brahma Chaitanyam, Paramatma. Because of its reflection in the individual, in the Antakarnam of the individual, the same Chaitanyam appears to be many, appears, that is what Abhasa, Chidabhasaha. Chaitanyam reflected in the Antakarnam. Antakarnam is Jadam only. It doesn't have self-consciousness. It has borrowed consciousness, appears to be conscious. And this Antakarnam of all the individuals, therefore the sense of individuality comes. From where the sense of individuality comes, the same Chaitanyam is reflected. As the sun is one, it is reflected in different pools of water. So too, as there seems to be differences, similarly there seems to be different Chaitanya, different consciousness. There is but different Atma, but there is only one Atma. It is Chid Abhasaha eva, Chidabhasaha, the Bhagavachanam, because of different upadhis, many upadhis. But these have Adhara in Chidabhasa as is Adhara in Chit eva. Like in the case of the canvas where the Vastrabhasaha, Chitrarpita Manushyanam, Pratak Vastrabhasaha, Tadvat, the same way. The same way here in the Dashtanta, the Jagat, with regard to the Paramatma also. The Acharya, he compares then the Tika. Brahmadi Jagat, Jagataha Chetanasti, Chetanasthaniyatve Karanam Bhaktum Drishtantam Aga. Chitra iti. Yatha chitre likitana manushyaadi sharirana eva. Nana varnopitaha vastra visheshaha likyante. Techa Itadi. Nivarakatvad vastrabhasaha eva. There is typo. let's type what check what the word is. Just a mistake. Shita. Shita or Shaita? Shita. Okay. Varakatva vastravasaha eva. So Brahmadi Jagataha. Jagataha Chetanasthaniyatve api. Karanam Vaktum Drishtantam Aha. Acharya Drishtantam Aha. Karanam Vaktum Sthaniyatvam. Sthaniyatvam means comparison. So Brahmadi, starting from Brahma up to this Jagat. Chetana Sthaniyatve. All these are Chetana, Chaitanyam alone. So this the division what we do, Chetana, Achetana, Atma, Anatma, it is only the beginning. It's to understand that what we think to be mine or mama, that has to go. That's why this we bring in the division Atma, Anatma, Chetana, Achetana. But everything is Chetana, Brahma eva. So Brahmadi Jagataha Chetana Sthaniyatve Karanam Vaktum Drishtantam Maha Acharya, the Sansi Drishtanta. Everything is Chaitanyam. What is seen is not Jada, it is Chaitanyam. That is the difference between a Jnani and a Ajnani. A rock is Jada, but a rock is Chaitanyam for a Jnani. It is Jada for an Ajnani. The glass is Chaitanyam. The water in the glass is Chaitanyam. Every molecule, atom, everything is Chaitanyam. The glass which is on the table, that is also Chaitanyam. The table which is on some base support, that is also Chaitanyam. The chair on which I sit, that is also Chaitanyam. Everything is Chaitanyam. But even though in the Vyavahara we make the provisional division because due to Ajnanam or even due to Jnanam also, it is provisional division. Provisional division for the Jnani. But Ajnani, for them, it is the division is real. That because the logic is that the Shyatva Jadam, but that logic will not apply. It will be dismissed when the truth is unfolded. So therefore, everything is Brahma Chaitanyam. Therefore, Chitra iti. That's why the Drishtanta, there is only Chitrapata. Chitrapata, and the Chitrapata alone, everything is Kalpita. Therefore, what is there is only Chitrapata. What is there is only the screen. On the screen only, everything is projected. Even though the screen you see all things, water, fire, etc. The screen is never touched. It's all Kalpita. Tadvateva, here also Kalpitaha, the Drishtanta. Yata Chitre Likitanam Manushya Shariranam Nana Varna Upetaha Vastra Visheshaha Likyante. So the human beings which are seen in the picture, in the Chitra, and they seem to wear different Vastra Visheshaha Likyante. These painted seem to wear all different clothes. Techa, I had to check what is the word is. Shita Adi Anira Shitadya Nivarakatvat Vastrabhasaha eva. It is Vastrabhasaha eva. It is an semblance, appearance of wearing different dresses, but it is not Vastrabhasaha. It's not real. It is seen in the cloth alone. As Manushas are seen in the cloth, therefore similarly these Vastras also are seen in the cloth alone. Check what is that. Maybe some mistake in that. Then the next shloka. Pratak chidha bhasas chaitanyadhyasthadehinam.
पृथक् चिदा भासा चैतन्याद्यस्तदेहिनाम्
कल्प्यन्ते जीवनामानो बहुधा संसरत्यभि
कल्प्यन्ते जीवनामानो बहुधा संसरन्त्यमी
अत्र चिदाभासानां विवेचनं कृतम् अस्ति अस्मिन् श्लोके। पूर्वश्लोके न कृतः, पूर्वश्लोके दृष्टान्तः एव उक्तः। अत्र दाष्टान्तस्य विवेचनं कृतम्। कूटस्थ चैतन्ये अध्यस्ताः जीवाः कथं पृथक् भासन्ते, कथं संसरन्ति। चिदाभासाः चैतन्य अध्यस्त देहिनां पृथक् पृथक् जीवनामानः कल्प्यन्ते, चिदाभासाः कल्प्यन्ते। अमी बहुधा संसरन्ति। अन्वया should be done like this. चैतन्याद्यस्तदेहिनां पृथक् पृथक् जीवनामानः चिदाभासाः कल्प्यन्ते। अमी संसरन्ति बहुधा। यथा चित्रपटे पुरुषाः कल्पिताः पटात् भिन्नाः पुरुषः न सन्ति चित्रपटे। यः कल्पितपुरुषाः कल्पिताः, तेषु वस्त्राणि अपि कल्पितानि एव। वस्त्राभासः एव, तदर्थमेव वस्त्राभासः इति उक्तम्। पुरुषाः पटात् भिन्नाः न सन्ति चित्रपटे कल्पितपुरुषाः। तथा एव ब्रह्मणि एव देहाः अध्यस्ताः, देहाः अध्यस्ताः सन्ति। The bodies are superimposed, shariram are superimposed on the Brahma. पृथक् पृथक् भिन्न भिन्न रूपेण प्रतिदेकं भेदं दर्शयितुं पृथक् पृथक् इति उच्यते। पृथक् पृथक् individually, just as आभासवस्त्रं are painted in the canvas. But Abhasavastram is painted only where Manusyas are there, where human beings are there. Not all over. Where the beings are there, human beings, they wearing dresses, clothes. Similarly, Chidabhasa Deginam, Chaitanya Adhyasa Deginam, Pratak Pratak, Chidabhasaha, Kalpyante. Degi is one who indwells Degha. Chaitanya Adhyasta Deginam, Pratak Pratak, Chidabhasaha, Kalpyante. चिदाभासः इत्युक्ते चैतन्यस्य शुद्ध चैतन्यस्य अंतःकरणे यदा अंतःकरणे शुद्ध चैतन्यस्य प्रतिबिंबः भवति तदेव चिदाभासः। चित् आभासः, रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ चैतन्यम इन द अंतःकरणम्। अयम् आभासः, आभासः एव, अयम् आभासः एव, अयम् आभासः एव आत्मानम् इति मत्वा अहं कर्ता अहं भोक्ता इति अज्ञानेन मनुष्याः संसारे संसरन्ति। This Chidabhasa alone, Atma is always akarta, abhokta. But because of ajnanam, this is taken to be myself, therefore kartrutvam, bhoktrutvam. Therefore Chidabhasaha. Therefore there are many, as though many beings, many Atmas, because each one has this sense of kartrutvam, bhoktrutvam, Atmanam iti matva. samsare samsaranti. What is there is only one chit. Chitaha abhasaha, chidabhasaha, chidabhasaha is Bhagavachanam because it is the chitta which is obtained in the individual antakaranam, therefore appears many, therefore Bhagavachanam. Chit is only Ekavachanam. There cannot be many chit. Chit, chito, chitaha. No, chit is Ekavachanam. Chidabhasaha kalpita. Vedaha, chidabhasaha, chaitanyasya abhasaha, many. And that must have adhara in the Kutastha Chaitanyam. Kutastasya abhasa rupaha jivaha. Ete jivaha. Chaitanya adhyastha deginam. Chaitanye kalpitanam deginam sharirinam. Chaitanya adhyastaha. Deginaha, jivaha. They are adhyastha, they are superimposed on the Chaitanyam. Chaitanya adhyastaha. Chaitanya adhyastaha. Chaitanye adhyastaha. Saptami tatpurusha samasa. Chaitanyadhyastaha cha deginascha chaitanyadhyasta deginaha. Dharmadhare samasta. Adhyasta, which is superimposed. Atasmin tad buddhihi. Ekasmin vastuni anyasya vastunaha kalpita pratitihi. Adhyasa. That is adhyasa. Adhyasa. So adhyasta is Brahma Chaitanyam. Adhyasta is that is superimposed. So therefore jivaha aham Brahma iti na ज्ञात्वा स्वस्य कूटस्थ स्वरूपम् अजानन्तः जीवः जीव इति नाम धारयित्वा जीव नामानः जीव इति नाम धारयित्वा where is jiva but because of ajnanam jiva namanah naman shabda is napumsakalinga nama namani namani nama namni namani namani. But here it should be namani. No, it is like Atman Shabda. Jiva Naman is Shabda, compound. Therefore, like decline like Atman Shabda. Jiva Nama, Jiva Namano, Jiva Namanaha. Therefore, Jiva iti Nama Dharayitva Punya Papa Karmanusaram Bhaguda Vivida Yonishu Samsaranti. They samsaranti, they perpetuate in samsara Punarapi Mananam, Punarapi Jaranam iti. Because they don't know that, they don't understand, they don't have the knowledge of the Kutastha Chaitanyam because of Ajnanam, Jivaha, individual, Jiva Namanaha, that individuality, the individual is Kalpyante. Iti Kalpyante. So Jiva Namanaha ityukte, Jiva iti Sanyakaha, called by the name Jiva. Who is this Jiva? That's Kutastha Chaitanyam. Because of Ajnanam, they don't know that Swarupam. Therefore, identified with Chidabhasa, Aham Karta, Aham Bhakta iti Ajnanena. Therefore, Jiva Namanaha Bhaguda. Bhaguda, Jiva Namanaha Bhaguda Anena Prakarena Ityukta Vivida Yonishu Asmin Janma Marana Chakre Samsaranti Brahmanti Samsaranam Kurvanti. Ami is Aso Amu Ami Ete Jivaha Samsaranti Janma Marana Chakre Brahmanti Samsaranti. Samsaranti ityukte samsara, samsare vartante. So therefore this jivaha, it is vastrabhasaha, as in the vastrabha, in the drishtanta vastrabhasaha, tadvata chidabhasaha. Chidabhasa, yata vastrabhasa is adhyasta, similarly here chidabhasa is adhyasta. Vastrabhasa is adhyasta on what? On the same pata only. Here also Chidabhasaha, Dashtanta, Kalpyante, Chidabhasa Kalpyante. It is superimposed on the Chitta. In the Srishti, this Chetana Vibhaga is there to begin with. Because we have to account for all the beings. Therefore, to account for all the different beings, Chetana, therefore we we introduce Chidabhasa, reflection of Chaitanyam. And there are Jada Vastu where there is no Antakarnam, Sukshma Shariram, Nasti. Our Sukshma Shariram doesn't have the capacity to manifest consciousness. Therefore, it doesn't manifest, but it is also Chaitanya. But in the Srishti, to begin with, when we talk about Srishti, different beings are there. Therefore, we have to account for it. Therefore, we have to introduce this Chidabhasa. If Chidabhasa is not there, then if Chidabhasa is not there, then what will be there is one Akhanda Chit Brahma Chaitanya Meva. Vastu alone will be there. In fact, that Vastu alone is there all the way. But if that we have that knowledge, then there is no samsara. Because we don't have the sense of individuality, aham karta, aham bhokta. And there is appreciation of achetana vastu, chetana, the distinction. Therefore, we introduce Chidabhasa. But really speaking, all things, everything is including Jada Vastu, it is Chetana only. Because Chit is Sarva Vyapi. Chit is Chaitanyam, which is alone is there. So, therefore, Chidabhasa we introduce. It is Abhasa only, not real. That's why Abhasa. So, wherever Chidabhasa is there, Chidabhasa cannot exist like the Vastrabhasaha cannot exist in the Drishtanta. Similarly, Chidabhasa cannot exist because there will be Chetanam. When Manusyas are there, then Chidabhasaha kalpyante. Wherever Manusyas are there, Chidabhasaha. How many Manusyas? Many. Therefore, Chidabhasaha. Bhagavachanam. So, Chidabhasaha accounts for this Chetana Achetana Vibhaga. And also for gradation of the beings, where there is manifestation of Chidabhasa, which is seen higher in human beings. In animals, it is less manifested. In some other beings, very lesser measured, and there is complete unmanifestation in Jadavastu. It is all due to Chidabhasa. So, therefore, Chidabhasaha kalpyante. And that reflection, therefore, Bhaguda, because that one chit is there, which is Chidabhasaha, therefore, Bhaguda, therefore, Ami Chidabhasaha, Asovamu, Ami is Bhagavachanam. Ami Chidabhasaha, and the Jiva is nothing but Chidabhasaha. If we inquire into Jiva, and Abhasa, if it is understood, it is superimposed on Chit, then Jiva is Chit eva Brahma eva. But due to Ajnana Vashat, since knowledge is not there because of Ajnanam, therefore, Aham iti, that individuality. That's therefore, Ami Chidabhasaha Jiva Nama Naha Bhagavachanam. Jiva Nama Naha Bhaguda Samsaranti. Jiva iti Nama Eshamte. Jiva Nama Naha Bhaguda Samsaranti. And therefore, this Chidabhasa, when we say this samsara is there. So samsara is an attribute to Chidabhasa. Samsara is not there, Jnanam is there, but there only Chit is. So yatra Chidabhasaha tatra samsaritvam. So samsara is Chidabhasaha. A semblance of Chit, not Chit. Where there is only Chit, Chaitanyam, that nothing else, second thing, then it is Mukti Avastha, it is Jnana Avastha. Therefore, Jiva Namanaha, that Chaitanyam Brahma Eva, Bhaguda, Jiva Namana, Chidabhasaha, Jiva Namanaha, Kalpyante. Jiva Namanaha, Chidabhasaha, Shuddha Chaitanya, Kutasa Chaitanya, Kalpyante, and therefore Samsaranti, therefore Samsara. Therefore, samsara is real or not real. It is not real. It can be negated by Jnanam. So, Dashtantikam Aha Pratakiti, Evam Paramatmani Aropitanam Devadinam Shriranam Eva Jiva Namanaha Chidabhasaha Pratyekam Kalpyante Na Parvatadvinam. So, Evam Paramatman. In the Paramatma, all these are aropita. What? Devadinam, Shariranam. Devas are also Jiva only. Jiva Namanaha. There are Chidabasaha. Chit Abasaha. Semblance of Chit. That is individuals. Pratyekam Kalpyate. Na Parvatadina. Parvata is their Jada. There is no manifestation of this Chit because of the absence of Sukma Sharira. Or Sukma Sharira is Sukma Sharira. Because of Stula, inhibition of Stula, Sukma cannot manifest. Not only in Achetana, even other beings also. There is inhibition of manifestation of consciousness. There is gradation. In human beings only it is in the highest form, highest way. Desham tat kalpane karanam aha bhaguda iti. Ami jivaha, ami, therefore you can know it is Bhagavachanam, Adashabda. Ami jivaha, Deva Tarijang Manushadi Sharira Praptya, this jiva, assuming this Sharira, Deva Shariram, Tarijang animals and Manusha, Bhaguda Samsaranti, Punya Papa Karma, Nusarena, Bhaguda Samsaranti, na Paramatma. Therefore, Paramatma, Chaitanyam doesn't have samsara. Chit doesn't have samsara. Chidabhasaha samsaranti, nato chit. Tasya nirvikarat. Nirvikarat. What? Ityaviprayaha. Why Paramatma doesn't have samsara? Because it doesn't undergo any change. Nirvikaratvat. Then Chidavasaha, they are Kalpitaha. Therefore, Savikaraha it is. But Chit, it is only Chit. Analyzing Chidabhasa, Abhasa goes away, that's only Chit. That is only by Jnanam. So Chidabhasaha, Savikaraha, Paramatma, Nirvikaraha. Nirvikare Paramatma, Chidabhasaha, Jiva Namanaha, Kalpyante. Next talk we will see in the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. Dhanyavadaha.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದः ಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.